Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app. And in today's video, I will show you how to post multiple photo using template and music in TikTok app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Have you opened up your TikTok app? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this plus right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on photo. Then go ahead and click on photos right here. And here you go. You have all photos in your gallery. Then select as many as possible photos. I'm going to select this, and this. I'm going to scroll down and select this. And then select as many as possible different photos. Just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and select this. Just like so. Then select this. Select this. Just like so. So if you are using layout, you cannot select more than 5 photos. So immediately you select more than 5 photos, you cannot use layout. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you click on next right here. Let's select just about 7 photos. It's going to take us right here. So we have the first photo, second, third, and fourth. You can as well click on this plus sign right here. This allows you to add more photo as the case may be. Just like so. Now before you post, you can decide to use different effects and the template and the style. So you can click on here now. This allows us to use grid style. And you can use different templates as the case may be, just like what you see right here. This is for 7 templates. This is for 8 templates. If you have up to 8 video, if you have up to 8 photo. However, you can slide this way and then use another. This is a 3 shots template. So you can choose any of the templates right here. But this photo here is about 7. So I'm going to choose 7 templates. Now, once you choose a template, then you can choose any format you want, like something like this or something like this. This is very good for product video, for product image or something like this, just like so. So once you are satisfied with any of the templates right here, just go ahead and click on this check mark right here, and it's going to be reflected in your image, just like what you see right here. So instead of the image to be to be displayed one after the other, it's going to be in form of grid. When you click on here and choose a template, just like so. But in this tutorial, I'm not going to use any template right here. Now, once you are satisfied and upload all the photo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like so. And the next thing we want to do right here is that we want to make sure we go ahead and then make sure we click on template right here. Just like so. So we have different templates right here. Okay, so you can choose any of the templates from different options. This is another template right here, just like so. You can swipe this way and see more templates as the case may be. So let's take a look at another template right here. It's another beautiful template right here. So once you are satisfied with the template, then go ahead and make sure you click on next right here. Now, at this point here, go ahead and enter the title. So if you are satisfied with the template right here, then you are good to go. The next thing you want to do is to add music, and for that, go ahead and click on here. So you can choose different music from the options right here. Now, if you cannot find any of the music you want to use right here, just make use of search right here and then type in the name of the music you you are looking for and successfully added. So I'm going to go ahead and select this music right here. After successful download the audio, then you can go ahead and it's going to be added into the photo just like so. Lastly, go ahead and click on next right here, which allow you to upload multiple photos just like so. Then from the preview right here, you can also click on edit preview right here. So go ahead and click on edit preview. So here you can choose any template as the preview. So I think I'm satisfied with this. Go ahead and hit on save. Now you have a new preview right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and enter the title of the post. Once you enter the title of the post, then go ahead and click on post right here. And the photo is going to be posted just like what you see right here. Like what you see right here. So 99% post. So the photo has been successfully posted, just like what you see right here. So let's go ahead and go back. You can see it has been displayed right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how to use your TikTok app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.